Hello friends, it's Mia and Ricky. Today we are at
Dairy Queen.
We're at Dairy Queen. We're already eating our little toast here.
Toast.
Because we ordered, what did we order, Ricky?
Toast.
We ordered four-piece
chicken strips.
Four-piece chicken strips with fries.
Fries.
And we also ordered blizzards. I always love the little toast that they give you here. Nothing like bread and butter. Anyway, we'll be reviewing Dairy Queen today. A very small review, but yet it's a review. So if you want to stop at Orlando here in International Drive, you're here by Universal, or you're here shopping at Disney Character Warehouse or the malls around here, stop here at Dairy Queen. Let's see for yourself if it's worth stopping for lunch, for a little snack. I don't know. We'll let you know. The taste test on the chicken strips with some honey mustard. That beer is there. It's good, huh, Ricky? Yeah, Ricky likes the Dairy Queen chicken tenders. Thumbs up or down, Rick?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Nice and crispy. Inside it's moist. Not greasy. Well, a little greasy. But they're good. Yum. Ricky, want to review those fries? Yeah, finish the chicken in your mouth. Whoa. Ricky's in a hurry. All right, wait, Rick, try the fry again. Let me see. Let mommy try the fry. Let mommy try that fry. Okay. Okay, so the fries? They're actually pretty good. Pretty good. Not too salty. Just the right amount of salt. Yeah. Thumbs up, right, Ricky, on the fries?
Thumbs up.
Okay. We'll catch you in a bit when we review the blizzards. I don't know if it's the same where you live, but Dairy Queen is not on every street corner here in our area of Orlando, Florida. We had to travel 30 minutes to get here to our Dairy Queen, our local Dairy Queen. And go ahead, Ricky, enjoy. Oh, you want to give me the ketchup? Thank you. So it's not readily available like McDonald's is. Anyway, we do enjoy Dairy Queen once in a while. Yeah, these chicken strips are so good, really, they are. I forgot how good they were. Anyway, we are getting ready to review our blizzards. So here are our blizzards. I got the Puppy Chow peanut butter blizzard, and Ricky got the Oreo Blondie blizzard. And yeah, so we're gonna give this a try. It's a mini. We don't want to overdo it because we have a special announcement coming up real soon. Not today, but real soon. Okay, Ricky, you want to give it a go?
Go.
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 How's that blizzard? Refreshing?
It's surprising.
And yummy.
I mean.
Okay, I'm going to give Ricky's blizzard a try for the sake of the video. I don't see the difference between this one and the regular Oreo. But it's good. It just tastes like a regular Oreo blizzard, but it's delicious. Yeah. I don't see any Blondie in there at all. The funny part of this blizzard is the one I have, it's called Puppy Chow. peanut butter puppy chow. I asked the guy, what do you mean puppy chow? Puppy chow like dog food? No, it's just some kind of crackers or something in it. They almost taste like wafers. They're a little crunchy. I don't know, almost like that, but not really. But it's good. Both of them are good. Can't go wrong. Either or. Very good. So, Ricky and I are going to finish up. What do we give Dairy Queen for today, Ricky? A big thumbs.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Okay, you guys. Very short video. We just wanted to review our Dairy Queen lunch. We'll see you real soon in the next one. Bye, everybody.